Good morning, Scots. I'm Lee.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Ian.
Today's show is about prom information.
Woohoo!
Juniors and seniors, prom bids are now on sale. This year's theme is A Night in Wonderland. To buy a bid in April,
You must have all debt cleared and be an upperclassman.
have a signed guest permission slip already filled out and approved by the dean's office and ready to present to the finance office if you want to bring a guest.
An underclassman must be a guest of an upperclassman and will be able to receive and purchase bids from May 1st through the 11th.
All these items must be done before you can purchase your prom ticket.
The dates and prices for prom bids are as follows. April 17th through April 28th is $55 with an ASB sticker, $60 without.
May 1st through May 11th, $65 with an ASB sticker and $70 without.
Guest permission slips can be found in the athletics/activities office. The last day to purchase tickets will be May 11th. You must be in line at the finance office by 4:15 p.m.
Don't wait until the last minute. If you have any questions, please see Ms. Delatorre in room 15A. Prom will be from 7:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. at World Records on 2815 F Street.
Snacks and munchies will be served during the evening.
That's it for today.
Remember to plaid up!
Have a great day.